dal curry with soya vegetarian. So we need moon bean dal. Inside it, moon bean this, chili, garlic. That's all. This is mixed dried chili, curry leaves, tomato, and onions. This is chili paste. This is brinjal, potato, and carrots inside. And this is soya vegetarian. Now let's go to cooking. Put the oil in and then
as usual, mustard.
yeah, mustard seeds, just a little bit. They need to be popped, and put some cumin seeds like that, a little bit, and it should be popped like that too. And then add
Another.
what is that? Not yet. Add the brinjal, potato, and carrots in. Mix. And they need to be boiled like few minutes. So you have to add the fish curry chili powder, fish curry powder, just a little bit. And then add the chili powder, just a little bit. So you have to mix it. Add salt in a 2 teaspoons. Then add the dal, mix with chili, the moonbeam, and boil. So add it, stir softly. This, the potato need to be soft and smooth. So it need to be cold. So like that. So if now you have to do like few minutes, boil it. So it need to be like this. The potato need to be soft. See the potato? So you can take it out. Guys, this is the colorful moonbeam dal. It's so colorfully, and we are gonna cook the soya vegetarian. So we'll see you guys there. Guys, let's put the oil in. And add the mustard seeds. As usual, add these two things every time. And then add this cumin seeds. They need to be popped. Just a few minutes. Then add the half of the dried chili, onions, and tomatoes in it. Like they used it before in the dal. So you have to put it up. So that's it. And then just mix it. And then add the caramel powder. Just boil it for a few minutes, and then add the garlic paste, ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, and mix it thoroughly. Put the heat lower, just a little bit. And then put some and guys, then you have to put biryani leaves, star anise, and cardamom. Just for the smell a little bit. The scent. And add the meat curry powder, just a little bit, mixed. And then add a little bit of water. Then add the chili powder. Then add the fish curry powder. Just a little bit everything. and water, just a little bit. And stir softly. And add some little water too. And add flavor in just a little bit, few. And add salt. 2 tablespoons.
Teaspoon.
2 teaspoons. And then just stir softly. So guys, this need to be like become thicker. So that's like the thing is this dish. So you have to boil it so it become thicker. So the oil needs to become the ups. The oil needs to be come up. So we have to come in later. Just a few minutes to boil it, and the oil will be come up. Soy veggies. So guys, you need to be like this. And you need to be boiled for a few minutes. Then we taste
Oil.
it and just add a little bit oil before that. And it to be boiled for a few minutes. I will come back later, the last finale. This dish you have to get it out. I will show you. This is a moon bean dal curry and vegetarian soya. You can eat with it, something you can do. This is the homemade. So that's it guys. Bye. We see you another time.